morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss arc formation and process of arc extinction in circuit breaker. Arc formation and process of arc extinction. Arc extinction. In circuit breaker. Okay. Before this, we should be able to define arc in circuit breaker. What is arc? Arc definition. Definition of arc. In switchgear, we are having the wide range of protective devices, isolating devices, switching devices. Okay. So in arc itself, it is a flexible conductor, or it is a ionized plasma. Ionized plasma in between contacts of circuit breaker. Whenever you open the contact of circuit breaker under loaded or faulty condition, you are isolating heavy current, especially in short circuit condition. When you are isolating this heavy current, it is get converted into a ionized plasma when the circuit breaker starts opening, and this ionized plasma or arc, which we call it as arc, it is a continuous, still the arcing voltage is behind it. So by multiple media like gas insulating media, like gas, like vacuum, like SF6 gas, like air, forced air, that you are incorporating in between the contacts of the circuit breaker, so that this arc will get swept away, and finally it will get extinguished. Then before that, the circuit breaker starts operate, and the arcing will be there while opening of the circuit breaker. There is an important device which we call it as a trip circuit. So the trip circuit, which is the important part of circuit breaker, which is used to give command to the circuit breaker. So when fault occurs, especially when fault occurs, थोडा आवाज कमी कर जरा, आणि इथलं दार ओढून घे, लयच कडायचा आवाज इकडे यायला लागला पार, आणि टीव्हीचा कमी कर, टीव्हीचा आवाज कमी कर आणि कडायचा कमी कर, आणि दार ओढून घे. हॅलो, is it clear? So trip circuit, it is a circuit which used to give the command to the circuit breaker. So when fault occurs, normally we know that currents are in circuit are heavy, so CT current increases. Now I will say don't join, not necessary to join. I will not allow to join now. See, this after very short time, if you have a short circuit, and after very short time when short circuit occurs, the relay closes the contacts. So here you are having the relay contacts, you are having the this is the line, you are having this voltage which is sensed by the PT, you are having the current which is sensed by the CT. When there is abnormal condition or when there is a fault, the current sensed by CT, it is abnormal current and it makes this relay contact to close, and therefore this is a circuit for circuit breaker trip coil. This is where you are having the circuit breaker trip coil is connected through battery. So when this relay contact closes, supply is given to the circuit breaker trip coil. So circuit breaker trip coil is that particular trip circuit is get completed. Okay. So this circuit breaker coil will get energized and it will operate circuit breaker to open the contact of the circuit breaker, and circuit breaker opens and equipment will be get protected. Okay. So you are having the inside the circuit breaker, you are having the fixed contact, you are having the moving contact. When fixed contact get detached from when moving contact get detached from fixed contact, there is an arc developed in between fixed and moving contact. Because of this is the very heavy current, faulty current which is passing through the contacts of the circuit breaker.